Resistance training, also known as strength training or weightlifting, is a type of exercise that involves using resistance to improve muscle strength and endurance. This can be done using free weights, machines, or bodyweight exercises. Resistance training is an important part of a well-rounded fitness routine, as it can help improve bone density, decrease the risk of injury, and increase metabolism. It can also improve physical function and quality of life, particularly as we age. There are many benefits to incorporating resistance training into your fitness routine. In addition to the physical benefits, resistance training can also have psychological benefits, such as improved self-esteem and body image. It can also reduce the risk of developing chronic diseases, such as obesity, type 2 diabetes, and cardiovascular disease. There are several different types of resistance training programs, including high-intensity training, circuit training, and traditional strength training. High-intensity training involves short bursts of intense exercise, followed by brief periods of rest. Circuit training involves moving from one exercise to the next with little rest in between. Traditional strength training involves performing a set number of repetitions at a moderate to high intensity. When starting a resistance training program, it's important to begin with a low intensity and gradually increase the difficulty over time. It's also important to properly warm up before exercising and cool down afterwards to prevent injury. It's also important to allow adequate time for recovery between workouts, as this is when the muscles repair and grow. Resistance training can be performed using a variety of equipment, including free weights, machines, and bodyweight exercises. Free weights, such as dumbbells and barbells, allow for a greater range of motion and can be more effective at building functional strength. Machines, on the other hand, offer a more controlled movement and may be more suitable for beginners. Bodyweight exercises, such as push-ups and squats, can be performed using no equipment and are a convenient way to get a full body workout. Incorporating resistance training into your fitness routine can provide numerous benefits for both the mind and body. It's important to consult with a healthcare provider or a qualified fitness professional before starting a new exercise program, particularly if you have any underlying health conditions. With the proper guidance and consistency, resistance training can help you achieve your fitness goals and improve your overall health and well-being.